What is the difference between forced GPU rendering and Force 4x MSAA?
Hello and welcome to another exciting discussion about smartphone graphics settings. Today, we'll dive deep into the distinction between two settings that often confound users: forced GPU rendering and Force 4x MSAA. They both play crucial roles in optimizing your device's graphics, but do so in quite different ways. Let's explore them further.
What is forced GPU rendering?
In Android developer options, one of the settings that you can toggle on or off is forced GPU rendering. So, what does this mean? Essentially, it is a feature that forces your device to use its GPU, graphics processing unit, for rendering all 2D graphics. In default settings, your device might rely on the CPU for some simpler 2D operations. However, by enabling forced GPU rendering, you're dedicating your GPU to handle all 2D graphics, potentially speeding up the rendering process and reducing CPU load. It's especially beneficial for applications that heavily rely on complex 2D graphics. However, be aware that it may consume more power, possibly leading to decreased battery life. Also, some apps may not benefit or could even show issues when this setting is enabled.
What is Force 4x MSAA?
MSAA stands for Multi-Sample Anti-Aliasing. It is a technique used in computer graphics to improve image quality. When you force 4x MSAA, it means you're instructing your device to use this technique at 4 times the original sampling rate. Force 4x MSAA is mainly beneficial for 3D graphics, particularly in gaming applications where it can help make the visual output smoother and more refined by eliminating or reducing the stair-stepped effect, also known as jaggies, along the edges of objects. However, similar to forced GPU rendering, Force 4x MSAA can also put more strain on your device and reduce battery life. It's best used when you want to optimize a 3D game's appearance and your device has enough power to spare. In conclusion, both forced GPU rendering and Force 4x MSAA are powerful tools for optimizing your device's visual performance. The former is primarily used to speed up 2D graphics rendering, while the latter enhances the quality of 3D graphics. However, they do come with a trade-off in battery life. Therefore, it's essential to understand these settings and use them wisely. I hope this video was enlightening for you. Stay tuned for more insightful discussions on similar topics. Have a great day!